Tariki ni 10 omotenyo 11 omwaka w'ekiribu 2023 charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono baso shingakingo kumanya amangana Amayia asenchera yo wenge erietariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tokobwatanere Ibere nyanchama uyo kweneke ngamari ogene chibicha goikere asencherere engikerano. Abanyanyimbo ase county ya Kisii ni gobono bachakire botuki igoro yo goitwa ku munyaroka oyomo uyo rebo igo omorokigwa ase skuru yo bundi ya Kisii Polytechnic ase bono anyate goitwa no yokageire koba orenge omo osani oye omomura uyo egotebekana bunanigo arwete kurwa ase ensemo ya kuria na goika ase county ya Kisii ase bono amotarete omo osekoyo umanyakante buna Lucy boke ojuboigo olenge omwarikiwa ase skuru ya Kisii Polytechnic nigo bono ogosekorengana na kirori nigo boigwete eriogi abugoro maragoba ase bamunyegete goika ase chinyombe echo enyaruke yo emenyete ase chinsemo chachogo ase bono banyorete nga omomuro yo omanyekante bona Steve oikitire omonyaruko yo ase korende aisiekerete ase enyombe yo ase omonyaruko yo arenge ase bono aborokiwa koru ase skuru ya Kisii abo baichire no bororo bonge batagorete emorangu bwenyombe yo na kumosokia ase bono obamwerete binyerere korende nigo abanyanyembo bakiretwe esimi bagoika na komokonya omomuro yo
omugaka kurukongeli injengana ngojikominyoka na ingana ngendu kya bwanga pugu ngojikominyoka konyo musubati geto gukwana nsali bali bamenye tororanga ngoso muntu betirwe mo inyombaga bano muntu betirwe mo inyombaga nari naminyoka nkorangiri nyamweno mutago cyo muntu ituri nyomba iga mutago cyo morore
ngorukori cya nyamweno ongeli aiga nonka yarenge Chinsa 12 iga twanyore report na chinyomba cyendugo ya urogoroga igo korkweba nisinyoko ongeli oyo osibire kodiaga mangana mada omoiseke na royo mo oiteiru ororo no mumroyo mo rure koru Isbania omubwatiri pakagaiga ari twaminyoka twikororo twanyora igeciekerete nyomba twaje kumweberia igore bwanga banafunzi bacha korujaiti na bacha ko famia nyomba bacha gwetio koboko baigoro morango kera baigora bamosokisko bamuchabire sana na bamucha bamubeka isko nali abasigari bacha gokonya mumuroyo mwatali abasigari baika bwango tango na bamukore iskari lakini moisekera okure no ari nyomba mumuratana gochaga iga ndera rokana gaiga kiara tamenyeti gaiga mumuraga amenyete igaro mukuria igarwa ensema ya Isbania
nigo bono abasaye baboriwe kunyara kurigia obosemi gurwa ase abantu abanene chinga kibabwate emechando ase obwamate bwabo negati yabasani babo ase kiri nigo bakaniwe boigo gobwatia abo gose kwemukie getambokero ase amabokabo nigo mobere onyagosira bono ogachira senkendu ya KTRH ase boigo nero yomo kagerwa yobetega ko moita monyaruko yo abekire getubyara ase getuanya gitari kubweniwa naboigo kuigorwa sebono ale ase chichera imenye county ya Kisii ase abanyanyembo bagenderete gukora obotuki
ngota abuna samari tanche gongoro Josephat barongo nyambane gondo mokori emeremo bwa serikali nare gusabana bali ekere mubwate usiano mumurano moiseke yaikire buna ali gosori yabeire mobori obasemi moko imokirichi kama bakaino nabono mumuroyo kurwari esarusirare mbakagaiga nabakora buna kirecha na mutara atambe sana yakakanga na chenjeri birengerenjera gose nanyoro ndoko musemi nekero konyoro mwana amenyete nyomba yaba muraba menyete babere nyomba mwao ebori nasekia muraba komenya babere nyomba anya naba isekenki bakomenyera babere twanyore buna sachinde nabara amenya babere lakini bintu bigakorekana nyomba bunto manya yonare kubasaba bali bechi nyomba torigere sana na nyumba 10 tokonye koreta usalama gukolera nare gusaba abantu baitu buna bwango igatwabora rio bwarifu bokorekanaga abana bakoibera chisimi chinyomba chiko igoro mbakekero ire nyomba ya igoro kwa uruchisimi kora ire nyomba ntoma etu buna ntoro kiechi okorara nare gusaba na nyumba 10 motokonye na kumwabwatira omonto tiga kumuita muira ase serikali egere atutebinki kagendete mbuya mono
Nataka urudie hiyo na statement ya mwisho.
Gonga tabia abanafunzi kera bachire kuri nyomba gaiga kera batwarire kitafauti ntororo muna bari totenenete kenyoro gaiga na turabanyane bacha banyoro basemi kuru asatore twabagayana kera mangana ara makongo na botoko involve even the community policing plus the grand elders amangana itwanya kora gaiga togo tek oito monto asama gokao.
Ekiombe kiria kiokubarika abarimu kia TSC nigo bono kiagokeire egitambukiro gia serikali ase okubwatuka chibesa ekibono kirachi kubakonya ase okubakinia abarimu ebirogo ase chisukuru ime yese kurengana no moteneneri bwe kiombe kyo kia TSC Nancy Masharia nigatebire buna nige serikali yeirire egekegetambe ase okukinia abarimu ebirogo ase bono aboririe abarimu bari bagwate amaganyo yogochia kokini wa ebirogo kwenekinga ngotoma bale amaborio ogochia ase ekiombe kyo kia TSC edio obanyale gokini wa gose banyale kwegwa libaga lyokokini wa ebirogo.
Mission again last received funds for promotion of teachers in 2011. You know when that is? 2011. That is when the commission last received money to promote teachers. We therefore wish to thank the government for providing 1 billion in this financial year 2023-2024 for promotion of teachers. In this regard, I think you should clap for the government. Since 2011, that's the last time we received, but we have received now 1 billion. And we have advertised that 6,505 vacancies for teacher promotions, of which 17,917 posts will go to primary schools across the grades. So I'm trying to address that issue, that we are trying to remove this stagnation that has always come to us, even through your unions, asking us why we are not upgrading teachers. You now know it is funding we did not have, but we now have funds, and we shall be promoting teachers. So please apply for these positions. In terms of, did I hear C5 to D1? These are issues that we shall address through the review of
Maiga yembure nyingi kogendera kwene kiwa Chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya ni gobono abantu abange batigirwe ase embo igoro maiga ye chinyomba gosombwa no mogoko amone chinibo chiabo ogosira gosegosariwa ni gobono ebyombe byasokirie erikwene kinga nkurubale ogosira oche asa abantu bali bakirwe ne embure nyingi asa abantu abange goetani chimi emerongo etano tetona batano nechiribisan ose 85,000 babeire bagotigara ase emboigoro ase bono batabwati endagera amone chinyomba ase bono baraigame nigo ebyombe byasokire ekwenekinga nkubwatuka baro bakonyi eboganirie oche asa abantabo anasensemo ya Mandera amo nechi county chinde nigo boigo babolire abakenya kwenekinga nkobote ngose nkotumeka bare chinga kechiga chembure nyinge buya anene ase ogosimeka ebimeri bune chinyeni ekyo kirachikobakonya ase chinga kichire motwe.
For the last 2 weeks that we experienced in this floods issue, close to 12,802 households are affected. And if you get that average of 5 persons in each household, that's close to 60,000 people are affected.
Here we are just basically doing a resource mapping, establishing what each of the partners has, identifying what gaps are there, and being able to focus and plan on how we can continue to resource mobilize for the gaps that we have as the flooding situations continues to unfold.
We are appealing to the members of the public who are on harm's way along the flooded areas to move to a higher ground and to be very much far away. And also we are appealing to the public during this particularly important rainy season. It's high time to improve their food security situation at the household level, to plant vegetables and food items.
ekiombe kiriage kurikiria oboikiranu ubwe bintu asobo tumekibwa mwanya bantu caps ni gobono asense ya Kenya ni gobono ekiago keire enchira aba Kenya bagendete wetuma ase obonjorere bwabo anene ase abanyabiashara bari abakabake ase bono bairwe koboko nagotibona nigo baraganitie eserikali kurigireria abana biashara bari abakabake nabo igo kobasira ase enchira yemo yokoba moyo ase okwegendereria ngana na bateneria seke mbeki ya caps nigo batebuna nigo aba Kenya bagwetuma mono na nigo bwente kwegwa moyo na gosira asencherere engia nigo bari kunyakwa nayo chinga kibare ngigo chingera li eiki iyo buya bo tumeki bose bwo kurigaria ebintu biri bigotumekwa na mwanya bantu asensemo ya Nairobi.
Vision and all that. Thank you very much, Madam.
Engineer by profession, and I have a workshop called Blessed Engineering.
One thing that I will appreciate is that in Kenya, our micro and small enterprises are very innovative. They have very novel products that they are manufacturing, but they suffer the disadvantage of not having a lot of quality input as they manufacture. And so there is low appreciation of quality in the production processes, which is what we are trying to improve on by educating them the things that they can be checking on in order for them to have some good quality products.
Business development services, and we provide decent working spaces for these MSCs just to ensure that whatever they are producing is produced in a healthy way and in a very good way. And therefore, as MISEA, our mandate is to promote, to develop, to regulate, and to capacity build these MSCs. And all this ends up to the final product, which is what we take to the market. And therefore, as we look at our health, at what we are consuming, then quality is key.
Materials that I procure to help me in my manufacturing, we just like to make sure that the good quality, especially with some of the road signage that I have to provide. And the good quality ensures that whatever I provide, whatever I supply, also lasts longer outside there and also allows me to be more competitive in the industry that I'm in.
Abari mive kemeri gie chani gobono bari no boba igoro ye chiro ye kemeri kyo ayamaiga yabateneria sense meyo ye chai batebuna chisegi chiri chigenderete ase chinse au imeyense ni gobono chiarentiro mochando ase chiro yensemo ye kemeri gie chai ase batebuna ni gobono chichiro chiteneine ase ngencho chisegi chigenderete kwandikiwa ase chinsemo au imeyense ni gobono batene kemeri gie chai bono sabarimi bagochiko gose bakure no mochando yo ni gobono eserikali ganteko beka emerobiro kwenekinga abalemi mbachikonyora omweso ekero chisegi chigenete kwenekiwa nabo igochi chisemo chiri chikonye chikoira echaebu na Sudan bono chabeire chigoteneni okoira kwabo wechae egento kyabeire omochando gose kyasoire kobo mochando asomoremi ewekemeri igechae.
To the fights in the war in Sudan, the war in Ukraine and Russia, it slowed down the absorption of tea because those are our major consumers of tea from Kenya. So specifically, the war that we had in Sudan slowed down absorption of a particular grade known as PP1 because Sudan is a major consumer of PP1. When it slowed down, we have quite a substantial amount of our tea in our godowns in Mombasa. The long rains, the El Nino that we have heard of, came in at the same time when we are getting our fertilizer. And you know, with tea, when you apply fertilizer and you have a lot of rain, that fertilizer will be washed through and it will not benefit the bushes. So that is a challenge that is facing our farmers currently.
Mwancho murigeria oroboto ruigoro yekemeri giechae konyore konyoro muchandase chiro yabo na ruoro gotukolera gosoro gotwikyo mwerio obwa mangana mayase nchera yo wenge twara oburigeria obuya ime ya Ndizi TV nebo bwansu bo Gusii eretoria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabwata nere Abigail Nyanchama oyene kingachi bichana mario gicha goikere ase nchera yo goikiranu twara oburigeria obuya ime ya Ndizi TV nebo bwansu bo Gusii.
Ubwansu bwo Gusii. Kurikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka